initiative report, and in order to make an initiative report, it has to be approved by the President, and this was then finally approved after 9 months, and now we can do so. This was a great success. But what happened? The two big groups took this report, and not the ones who really wanted it. We cannot make the report, but the report is going to be drawn up by people who don't want this, and they will write the report in such a way that they will come up with just the opposite of what I had in mind. So it's not an easy situation we're in right now, not in the European Parliament either. We don't just have friends there. And I think this is something that we need to take into account when working on our strategy. That's why I think if we really want an ECI, then we need a wording that will make it impossible for them to reject. So everything has to be perfect. We can't just miss the point. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Any further questions from the floor? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Frieda Hart is the name. I'm very grateful for this discussion. Thank you very much. ECI is very important. And it's okay that it went wrong the first time around, because this shows us where the problems are, and that there are many problems. It's about making a cultural change, not only about changing the law. It's very important that we are having this discussion, because a discussion about things is the most important thing. Of course, there is the legal point of view and then the legal review. We need to make progress when it comes to the treaties, and we need to have various strategies. ECI should be further promoted. It should find a new wording. However, now that we are faced with a rejection, we see that we are losing other options. Parliamentary question, for example. You are trying to pose a question, and this question is to be answered not only by the Commission, but also by the Parliament. That's an oral question. So other members of the Parliament meet and then they talk about human rights, for example. Why are human rights so important? So the Commission has to discuss this question. Now, legal experts. There is